Alright, so here's what's going on with this one. Had the lock on the screen door that just moved up and down. It was broken. Would not lock. So easy to get off. You have handle here and the lock stuck out about where my finger is right here. So it was just loose. So there were two bolts that I took out. These guys right here. And they went into the other side of the handle, which is here. So no big deal. Now, the mechanism, the way it works is right in there, that little slot. You can stick a screwdriver in that slot and you see it just moves the lock. So the piece that I saw is this dude right here. So he goes in that slot right there, and then this thing right here is the actuator for that. So I'm trying to figure out how these two go together and why this came off. I have a good idea. To keep it from going through, it would have to be stuck somewhere on that. So I'm going to play with this for a second and see if I can get that to stay. I may have to come up with something else, but we'll see. Alright, so here's what I figured out. This piece, like I said, fits into this slot. Alright, where is it? Right there. And it turns left and right to actuate the lock. So this piece right here had slipped out, and it's almost like it's keyed on this end. It's a little smaller, skinnier on this end, so I stuck that end through the slot in the lock here. Sorry about that. And since this end right here is a little bigger, it stopped. I didn't have many tools with me. I used my little multi-tool and screwdriver that I had, but I think now all that has to happen is stick this back in where the slot is, and then it started working again. So I'll just have to, the way this fits, this is the, let's see if I can do this. This is the indoor handle, and this piece fits like this, and you see the slot right there, or the piece sticking out, and so this keeps it from moving back and forth inside this mechanism. So I'm gonna button it up and see if I got lucky. Get in there. Ah, there we go. All right, so it looks like it's gonna work. It's kind of weird how that works. Still close? Oh yeah, well. All right, well. Problem solved. Until next time.